In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly into Framer. This is a straightforward process that will enable you to seamlessly add scheduling capabilities directly to your Framer projects. So, let's dive right in and make the experience smooth and functional for both you and your users. First, we'll need to open Framer, which is a fantastic tool for bringing your design ideas to life. Once you have it open, look for the Insert option. This is where you can add various kinds of elements to your design. Clicking Insert sets the stage for integrating external components or tools into your project. Now, in the search bar that shows up, type Calendly. Calendly is a popular scheduling tool that makes setting up meetings with clients, colleagues, or anyone else incredibly easy. It's designed to take the hassle out of back and forth emails, and it's a perfect addition to any interactive design project you may be working on in Framer. Once you've typed Calendly and found it, glance over to the right side of your screen. You'll notice the calendar option. This is what we need to focus on, as it's the key element that allows for seamless scheduling. Clicking the calendar option will initiate the Calendly integration process. Next, we need to actually go to Calendly. You can do this by opening a new tab in your browser. If you haven't already set up your event in Calendly, this is the time to do it. Assuming you have an event set up, locate and copy the name of that event. This name is what we'll be working with, as it allows Framer to pull in the specifics of your scheduling setup. Now return to your Framer project. Once you're back in Framer, it's time to paste the Calendly event name you just copied. By doing this, you're essentially telling Framer which event to pull in from Calendly. It's as easy as a simple right-click and paste. After you've pasted the event name, hit Enter. This action confirms the integration and adds the event to your Framer project. It's time to see it in action. Click Preview to check out how the Calendly events are incorporated into your project. At this stage, you should see the event you added. This preview is crucial as it lets you experience the integration just like a user would. Now, your users will have the ability to set up meetings directly from your Framer project. This enhances interactivity and makes the user experience seamlessly functional. And there you have it, an integrated Calendly calendar in your Framer project, ready for scheduling magic. I hope this guide was helpful in showing you the ease of integrating such a useful tool into your designs. Thank you for tuning in and happy designing.